Mga ka-Nose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Michael Ryan Gesto. And for today's episode 83, Master Drinks and Foods by DC, your place, your moment. DC, your place, your moment, is located at Anaros Village, Subdivision, Block 23, Lot 8, Mandurriao, Iloilo City. They're open every Tuesday until Sunday, starting 10 a.m. until 7 p.m. and close on Monday. And for their delivery services, they're also available via Maxim food delivery, Palihog delivery services, and also open for rentals and bookings for events. For their full list of menus and delivery details, I'll provide description down below. And this episode is semi-sponsored by DC, your place, your moment. And disclaimer lang mga Nose, this is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. Like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. At para always go notified sa my latest episodes ko, just click the notification bell icon. And kapag may nakita kayong skip ads, ilang seconds or ilang minutes, huwag nyo pong i-skip. Malaking tulong na yon sa aking channel. Either mga Nose, so nandito tayo ngayon sa DC, your place, your moment. So kasama ko si Sir Pao dun sa baba. So nag-shot lang ako dito sa taas para to have a good view dito. Yeah. So meron din sila dito, second floor, sa mga plantitas at sa mga plantitos. Ganda ng scenery dito. I-appreciate mo talaga yung plants. Tapos ayan po yung main building. And also, makakain na din kami sa kaunda. These are Korean chicken wings for 100 pesos. These are Clubhouse Sandwich with fries for 110 pesos. These are Shawarma Burger with fries for 130 pesos. These are chicken pups for 110 pesos. These are iced Vietnamese coffee for 90 pesos. Yung Korean chicken wings, ito one of their best sellers and certified talaga. Sobrang sarap, breading, yung sauces, yung spiciness, and also yung chicken meat. Perfect combination for this product. For your Clubhouse Sandwich with fries, ito sobrang busog ka na kahit isang sandwich lang for its content, for its ingredients, and also for its meats inside. When it comes sa fries, ito malaki na siya, tama yung process or pagluto nito. Hindi siya masyadong oily or hindi masyadong salty. And also, when it comes sa shawarma burger with fries, sobrang siksik yung veggies inside. Tapos yung shawarma patty, it has a right flavor and texture for shawarma. And also yung buns, very smooth upon slicing. Also for its sauces, ito nag-ooze talaga yung deliciousness and very eye-appealing. For their chicken pups, surprise ako kasi sobrang siksik yung meat sa loob, sakto yung crispiness and overall taste and texture upon dipping sa sauce. Sobrang sold ka na for its quantity and also for its quality. When it comes sa iced Vietnamese coffee, ito nandun talaga yung distinctive at unique taste for its Vietnamese coffee. Tamang blend for its sweetness, for condensed milk, and also for its coffee. Okay, for rating manos, based on observation and experience namin ni Sir Pao, ito na-enjoy kami at na-surprise kami when it comes sa quality, presentation, sa plating, and also sa taste value. We'll give it a perfect 10. This amazing experience and excellent quality of products. Ayan mga Nose, katapos namin kumain dito ni Sir Pao sa DC, your place, your moment. So sobrang sarap ng foods, yung ambience, yung quality, and also yung service, very excellent. Tapos ito, very budget friendly siya. Ito, ma-feel mo talaga yung luxury feel, yung hotel experience, yung quality, at the same time, yung consistency for its taste and value for money. And cool yung experience, yung ambience, yung taste. Ito, ma-appreciate mo talaga. Most especially sa mga families, mga gatherings, mga Nose, maraming aso dito. First of all, I would like to thank Sir Pao sa pagsama sa akin dito sa DC. Thank you so much sa lahat pong bumubuo, sa mga owners and staff dito sa DC, your place, your moment. See you mga Nose for another brand reviews and taste test review dito sa Iloilo City. Bye mga Nose!